Hello friends, in this video I will tell you that how to multiply two matrices. So there is a rule to multiply two matrices, and the rule says that if this is my matrix A of dimension or order m cross n and this is my another matrix B, then if I want to multiply this A with B, then the number of columns in A should be equal to the number of rows in B. So then I will be able to multiply these matrices. That is, matrix multiplication will only be possible when the number of columns of column of first matrix is equal to the number of rows in the second matrix. And the resulting matrix, let's say C, then will be having m rows and this L columns. Okay, this you should always remember. Now, if this is clear to you, then we can proceed ahead. Let's say the matrix A is A00, A01, A10, A11. Let us take this as 2 cross 2, and another matrix, let me take, this is a 2 cross 1 matrix. So that is 2 rows and 1 column. So this is B0, 0 and this is B1, 1 or 1, 0. Now you all know that how to multiply these. That is, first we'll be moving in this direction. First we'll be moving in this direction and in this direction. So that will give me the first column, first element of this multiplication matrix, that is A00 times B00 plus A01 times B10. Now that has been exhausted, so let us move to second row. So this will give you A10 times B00 plus A11 times B10, and that's it. So the resulting one will be having 2 rows and 1 column. Okay, so this will be C00 and this will be C10. So let us write C00 is how much? A00, B00 plus A01, B10. And what is C10? It is A10, B00 plus A11, B10. Now if you look closely, then what I can say is that the resulting matrix, if this is my I and this is my J, then this is I and this is J. So this is I, this is J. Likewise, this is I, this is J, this is I, this is J. And something is happening inside. Let us first write in terms of I and J. So Cij, Cijth element of the product matrix will be AI0, B0J plus AI1, B1J. And now you can very well appreciate the fact that this is a sum over some number. So what I can write this in further, that A I K B K J, and this sum K is from 0 to 1. That's it. So you will be having how many? 3 loops inside. First I loop, this is for number of rows in A matrix or C. Okay, then J is number of sorry, this is number of columns in B matrix or C, because number of rows in A will be the number of rows of C and number of columns in B will be number of columns, and there is one case where you are going to sum this. Got the point? So if you want to know what is the Ci comma jth element, so then you have to write A I comma kth element times B k comma jth element. So okay, that is how we write in Python. So in C it is AI, this is Cij is AI k times B k j. That's it. So three loops. And what about this k? So this k will be varying. So how the index I will be varying? Okay, so it is varying. So let us come here. So no, let us move down further. So if A is m cross n and B is n cross l, then I will be varying from 0 to m minus 1. Okay, and J will be varying from 0 to L minus 1. What about K? So K is the inner one. So this K will be varying from 0 to N minus 1. So you should understand this. If this thing is clear to you, then we can directly jump to the editor and solve the problem. So let's say I am having two matrices. A is this and B is this. And I want to find the matrix product. So let's say it is MUL, multiplication matrix. So as this is 2 cross 2 and this is also 2 cross 2, so the output will always be going to be 2 cross 2. Okay, now what we have to do, so half part has already been done here, so I'll remove this. So, so for I is equal to 0 to this 2, 2 means this is your M. Okay, and then J will be varying from 0 to L. It was this. So 2 here also. And then inside this, what you have to do, you have to sum up over this inside one. So let's say sum, and that is assign it to 0, 0 to it, and let's say it is so everything is integer, so the product will going to be integer, so I can take it integer, no problem. So for int k starting with 0, k less than this inner index, that is 2 here, and then k plus plus, and then inside what you have to do, you have to write sum is equal to sum plus a times b. Now what will come here? Very simple. It is aik bkj. That's it. So it is aik and bkj. Done. Then once this is over, this will be supplied to the Ci comma jth element. So this whole will then be supplied to Ci. So C here is MUL. So MUL I comma jth element is assigned this sum. Okay, once this is done, multiplication is over. So simple. So this is the multiplication, and here I will be printing the multiplication matrix. So that's it. So there is some problem. Oh, statement has not been ended. So let us run it. So the multiplication. So why this S is coming? Oh, because of this. That doesn't matter. Okay, let us correct this also. So the multiplication matrix will be 15, 22, 8 and 10. So friends, in this particular case, you should always remember, again I am saying that whenever any problem comes to you, you should be in a position to generalize the problem in the index form and then try to solve the problem. So that is how we normally solve a multiplication problem using two-dimensional array in C. So in this video, till this point only, thank you very much for watching it.